I'm Jay Gandia, President of PICQS Philippine Chapter, and I'm one of the incorporator of PIBE. PICQS started in 2011 from the heart of its founder. It has now more than 1,200 members worldwide and has a strong collaboration with various international organizations like RICS, AIQS, NZIQS, ICMS, and ICEC. PICQS is the only organization who has provided an affordable structured APC training program conducted by voluntary members, a noble trait inherent in Filipinos. Small actions make big differences, and this is how the culture of PICQS inculcates in its members. Part of PICQS strategy is to collaborate with a private institute to establish the first QS school in the Philippines. Philippine Institute of Built Environment, PIBE Incorporated, is registered with the Security and Exchange Commission and in the final process of being accredited with TESDA as a technical vocational and training program, TVET, as a provider. It is also working on being accredited as a Pearson.
Hi, I'm Mark Mariano, PICQS Philippine Chapter Knowledge Committee Head. True to its vision to help its members become chartered or certified QS, PICQS provides its members affordable structured APC programs. PICQS offers 4 structured trainings. To address Level 1 competency, PICQS provides P3T, PICQS Think Tank training, which tackles 12 competencies. The objective is to provide members the knowledge on QS standards, competencies, and terminologies used globally. For Level 2, PICQS offers PAP1 or PICQS APC program. For this training, members are required to apply the theories learned on P3T by having hands-on exercise and assignment. GAMP, Guidance and Mentoring Program. PICQS assigns a corporate member to those who are applying for chartership. PICQS makes sure that members are prepared in their submission. PAP2 is preparing members for the APC interview. PICQS provides series of mock interviews about their submissions and QS competencies. We drive this structured training program to encourage all members to become chartered or certified quantity surveyor.
Hi, I'm Lester Ian Bayot. I'm a centralized P3T head of the Philippines chapter and a PIBE trainer. Being able to impart my knowledge to the PICQS members is something priceless. At PICQS, we volunteer our time from our busy schedule to help our members gain Level 1 and Level 2 knowledge. As we started the pilot class in PIBE, I take pride in teaching the students who will soon become chartered QSs that are trained by our very own institute. We are living in a society where opportunities are just there, but we are unaware. All we have to do is to have the creativity to uncover them. I'm excited and ready to teach and share the competencies and expertise through PIBE and PICQS. With the core value of PIB and PICQS, together with its seal of integrity, I believe that I am equipped to impart my knowledge to members and students.
Hi, I'm Myla Victorino. I'm part of the PAQS 2021 Organizing Committee. At the founding year of PICQS, we were invited by the PAQS, a confederation of national quantity surveying associations from the Asia-Pacific region, to become an associate member. Because of the clear vision and leadership of the PICQS, it was not difficult for PAQS to welcome PICQS as an associate member. Since becoming a member of PAQS, PICQS has formed Memorandum of Understanding with member countries like AIQS, NZIQS, SISV, PUJA, and IQSI. PICQS also became a full member of ICEC through the PAQS. The strong collaboration between the PAQS QS organizations trickle down and bring about numerous benefits to PICQS members and vice versa. PICQS is fortunate to have been chosen to host the PAQS Congress in 2021, and it is an opportunity for us to showcase the progress of the QS education system to increase awareness of the significance of the QS profession in the Philippine construction industry with the aim of keeping abreast with global standards.
Hi, I'm March Manabat, a member of PICQS and a trainee of the APC Structured Training Program. Being a PICQS member means broadening my horizon and developing my capability to become a competent QS manager. While I have been working for a number of years in a QS firm, I know that I still have to learn more about the competencies of the profession, compliance to international standards. With the era of globalization, these trainings are valuable in developing my skills, not only to embed the international standards of professional practice, but to become a trusted advisor and a reliable mentor to other junior members. I could not wait to see the path at the end of the rainbow after completing these structured trainings. That is to become a chartered or certified quantity surveyor, an internationally respected qualification recognized as premium standard of professional competence.
Hi, I'm Eric Baclig, a PIB student. At first, I wanted to pursue a career in structural design and law, but I was exposed to quantity surveying. I learned how to appreciate the need of quantity surveyors who are trusted and with the degree of excellence to achieve optimum client satisfaction. Thus, I decided to be part of the pilot class of the PIB under the HNC program and be a member of PICQS. Becoming a chartered and certified QS was once out of reach. There are no institutions offering formal trainings in our country, and studying abroad is too expensive. Certified QS is already within my reach through PIBE and structured APC trainings of PICQS. At the end of this course, I want to establish a strong conviction to contrast truth from created illusions, and to be awakened to excel and stand out in everything I do. Proud to be the PIB pilot class.